Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text box size in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software, then open your document. Now I am already opened my document. Now, firstly, go to the type tool and place drag and place this text box. Now click the text box and write your text. Now I am write my text. Then press Ctrl A on your keyboard and go to the properties panel and increase the text size. I will increase my text. Then I am change the text font. Now I am change the text box size. Now firstly select the text box and you can see this right corner and drag and increase or decrease the text box. You can see change the text box size. Now text box size another text box. Now select the text box and drag and small and bigger the size the text box. Now you can see change text box size in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.